skeletal system?
The articular cartilage helps minimize friction between movement by helping provide a smooth, lubricated surface. The spongy bone is also known as the cancellous bone. It helps lessen the weight of the bone while also providing strength and support. The epiphyseal line serves no function in the bone. It is classified as the indicator between the epiphyseous and diaphyseous part of the bone. The red bone marrow produces blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. That process is called hematopoiesis. The endosteum functions to help maintain bone growth and development while also helping blood cell production. The compact bone provides structural support, protection, and strength to bones. The structure helps the body resist stress while also supporting its weight. The medullary cavity mainly functions to house bone marrow, reduce weight, and supply calcium. The yellow bone marrow stores fat, mainly triglycerides, which is used as an energy source by the body. The periosteum provides nourishment to the bones, facilitating bone growth and repair. The nutrient artery also helps support oxygen and nutrients to the bones and other tissues.
All these parts of the skeletal system work together as a team to help make the human body more efficient and productive. So, let's put these parts into teams. Team 1. Let's call this the red team. Red team works together to keep bones strong but not too heavy. The red team involves the compact bone, spongy bone, medullary bone line, and the epiphyseal line. The team cooperates together as a group, as the compact bone will focus on giving the bone its hardness and strength. The spongy bone will add support too, but it's lighter. That will help the bone from being too heavy. The medullary cavity will help make these bones lighter, as well as holding the marrow inside. Lastly, the epiphyseal line will show where the growth used to happen. Together, the red team makes a strong, light, and organized bone that supports the human body. Team 2. Let's call this the green team. Green team works together to help keep the bone growing, stay alive, and heal. This team involves the periosteum, endosteum, and nutrient artery. The periosteum helps repair a damaged bone by feeding it. Endosteum helps with bone growth and blood cell production. It focuses on the inner layer to make the process more efficient. Lastly, the nutrient artery will bring in the oxygen and nutrients. Together, this team will help the bones help the bones live and be fed and ready to heal when injured.
Next is Team 3. Let's call this the yellow team. Yellow team works together to store energy, make blood cells, and help bones move smoothly. This team includes the red bone marrow, the yellow bone marrow, and the articular cartilage. The red bone marrow will produce the red blood cells, while the white blood cells and platelets, which will help with carrying oxygen and reducing infections. The yellow bone marrow will store the fat that the human body will need to use for energy when food is low. Lastly, the articular cartilage will make movement easier by covering the ends of the bones with a smooth, slippery surface, so joints can move without damage. Together, the yellow team helps bones produce the necessary needs of the human body. An example of a disease that affects the skeletal system is Paget's disease of the bone. The disorder causes the bones to swell and increase in size. This leads to pain and weakness. This condition results in the bones becoming brittle and abnormally shaped. It most commonly affects the spine, skull, and pelvis. The cause of this disorder is unknown, but it is believed to be caused by a mix of environmental and genetic factors. It is also more common in older adults, specifically with Northern European ancestry. Certain genes have been known to be linked to the risk of developing the disease.